Hey everyone! Today we're streamlining the creation of a video player screen using the Ionic Design Kit. This tool significantly eases the workflow for both designers and developers. Let's dive in. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're playing around with coding using some neat Ionic documentation snippets. Right in the heart of the screen, check out the sleek layout made possible by the Ionic Design Kit. And over on the right, we've got a phone emulator set up to showcase our coding prowess in action. Remember, if you want to pause the video and take a closer look at any point, go right ahead. Let's zoom in on something we all love: video content. The video player screen is crucial for streaming, learning, or just scrolling through social media, offering intuitive controls, a sleek timeline, and transcript mode to boost your viewing experience. Bringing this to life in your apps is easy with the Ionic Design Kit. It's your go-to for app design, loaded with ready-made elements from the Ionic framework. No starting from scratch or complicated coding. It streamlines your development, making it straightforward and enjoyable. Interested in diving into some code? Visit our website. Everything you need to jumpstart your project with the Ionic Design Kit is there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep an eye out for more videos that will help simplify your app development process. Catch you in the next one, and happy coding!